guys, by the time I'm filming this, tomorrow will be October 1st. So I wanted to do kind of my September favorites for a video today. So I have everything all in this little container here. So let's get started. So it's kind of miscellaneous stuff. There's like hair stuff, there's skincare, and there's makeup. And nail stuff too. So let's start with hair. So this first thing, a hairspray that I've been wanting for a long time. I love this hairspray. This hairspray is amazing. So this is the Got to Be Glued Lasting Freeze Spray. I love this hairspray. It's amazing. Before I was like, I didn't know if I would like it as much as I do now. I think it's amazing, and it really holds the current style that I have in my hair, and it's just amazing. Okay, the next thing is, I've shared this before on my channel. I like it, but I still want to try to get, I'm not very good at using it. So this is the, I'll link it down below. I don't remember the name of it, but these are just Velcro hair rollers that I got at Target, and I absolutely love them. They're so nice, but again, still tricky for me to use. I'm still kind of working on it. I love it. Okay, so that was the two hair items. Now let's go on to nails. So I have my favorite press-on nails. I kind of was seeing if I like the Kiss press-on nails better, or if I like the Olive and June Instant Mani press-on nails. And I think I like the Olive and June ones a little bit more, because the press-on nails, the Kiss ones does have that, like, you don't need to use glue, but this one does, and I feel like this is a better hold rather than the Kiss nails. So I really like this one. Okay, so now let's go into skincare. I only have two favorite skincare items. The first thing I've used for a while now, and I absolutely love it. This is the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Wow Glow Tinted Sunscreen. I love this. This is amazing. I have it on underneath my makeup right now, and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's definitely, I haven't tried the Super Goop one yet, the similar one to this, but I feel like I'm just going to stick with this because it's just amazing. Okay, another skincare product that I have that I recently got is the ITK Nourishing Lip Balm. I love this lip balm. I put it on sometimes right before bed, or I go into the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I kind of go in between the two. But I do really like this one as well. Okay, so now let's go into makeup. So this first thing is actually a collection that I got. I've shared this on my channel before, link down below to that video. But these are the Naruto, it was the Naruto and Colorpop collection. And I love these four things that I'm going to show. So we first have the 3 Naruto Super Shock shadows that I absolutely love. They're so pretty. I love them. And I do keep them in the box because I like that it has the different characters on each of them. And the packaging is just so cool, so I kept it in the packaging. And then another thing from the Naruto eyeshadow palette, the Naruto and Colorpop collection that I was a little bit upset about anyway. So when I was going to the 5 Seconds of Summer concert, I was going to use this during the makeup look, or for the makeup look, and I didn't remember to use it. So that's the only thing I'm disappointed about. But I love this. This is the Colorpop Glitter Obsessed glitter, and it's just a gold glitter, and it's just amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna definitely use it more. Like, I'm definitely going to use it for this year for Halloween, and it's just amazing. Next we have some lashes. These are my new favorite lashes. I absolutely love them. They totally look like natural lash extensions, which I think is amazing. These are the House of Lashes from the Mini collection. This is in Pixie Mini. I've showed this on my channel before, and they're just amazing. I haven't worn these I think since the concert. Yeah, I love them. They're so nice. Now to go with the lashes, I have the House of Lashes lash glue. I really like this lash. Okay, next is actually my first ever Rare Beauty makeup product, and I absolutely love it. I definitely do want to get more Rare Beauty products. This is the Rare Beauty Loose Setting Powder. This one is in light. I really, really like it. It's amazing. I applied it today, and it's just amazing. I really, really like this. When I was getting at Sephora, I didn't know if this shade would be good for me, but after using it, I really, really like it. It's so nice. Okay, so at Walmart, I saw this and I was like, they had a full collection, but they had the full collection, but a lot of it was sold out, and like this was probably the coolest thing that was there, and I want to, and it's in my favorites because I haven't really dived into it yet, but a video on it is going to be coming soon, maybe in the next video. But this is the Revolution and Batman collection. So one side is Poison Ivy and one side is Harley Quinn. So there's like the Harley Quinn side, and then we have the Poison Ivy side, and I absolutely love it. I think it's so cool. I love the colors. I tested it maybe once because I just want to have a full, honest kind of like review for the video that's going to be coming next. I have 2 makeup items left that I actually got a couple of days ago, and I just fell in love with both of them actually. I'm wearing both right now. So this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This is the blush one, and I got the color Rosé You Slay. And again, I'm wearing it right now. I haven't really, because I'm used to like the pot cream blushes, but this it's a little bit tricky for me to use. I think I'm gonna like apply it to the brush and then apply it like that rather than using the applicator. But I do really like it, and I love the color. The color is just amazing. It's overall such a good blush product. Okay, this last thing actually was the coolest little guy ever. This is the e.l.f. lip stain. They're so tiny. I didn't realize how tiny these were. And I'm wearing it right now, by the way. This is in the color Power Mauve, and I absolutely love it. This is what the applicator looks like. I think it's so cute. I absolutely love this little guy. It's amazing. So that was everything for my September favorites. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!